Understanding the role of a drone operator. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic. What does a drone operator mean? Whether you're a language enthusiast or just curious, this video is perfect for you. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning together. First, let's break down the phrase. A drone is an unmanned aircraft, often controlled remotely. An operator, in this context, is the person who controls or manages something. Therefore, a drone operator is a person who controls and manages the flight of a drone. These operators are skilled in navigating drones for various purposes, like photography, surveillance, or research. Being a drone operator isn't just about flying a drone. It encompasses a range of responsibilities such as planning missions, understanding and following aviation regulations, maintaining the drone, and analyzing collected data or footage. This role requires technical knowledge, attention to detail, and sometimes creative skills, especially in fields like filmmaking or photography. Drones are used in many fields, making the role of the operator versatile. Some common applications include aerial photography, agricultural monitoring, search and rescue operations, and environmental research. Each application demands specific skills and knowledge from the operator, showcasing the diversity of this role. Interested in becoming a drone operator? It usually involves obtaining a certification or license, particularly for commercial use. Many countries have specific regulations governing drone operation, and it's crucial for operators to be well versed in these laws. Additionally, hands-on experience and technical knowledge of drones are essential. We hope this video has enlightened you about the role of a drone operator. It's a field that combines technology, skill, and sometimes creativity, offering various opportunities across different industries. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting language topics. Stay tuned.